guys, it's me again. Me and my co-host, Lilah Isabel back there. It's a beautiful day out today. We just got done eating lunch over at her Gamma and Granddaddy's house, and we wanted to show off beautiful Woodbine, the beautiful Woodbine River Walk. So that's what we're going to do today. Just a quick hike down to the river and back, just to highlight how beautiful the city of Woodbine's Riverwalk really is. So I'm your host, Chris Cottrell, co-host Lilah Isabel, and you're watching the Dabbler's Den. Alright, so we're just taking a quick hike down the Woodbine River Trail. It really is a beautiful hike. Lilah and I used to live just a few blocks away from here. And remember when they actually put in the Riverwalk. This used to be an old railroad track, and since they've ripped it all up and they've paved it, like as you can see, and turned it into a really beautiful trail. It's not quite a nature trail, but it's a beautiful trail. And it's going to take us right down to the river. So beautiful location. Lilah looks like she's having a great time. Just out enjoying a beautiful day today, you know, wintertime in Georgia. This is also the site of the Woodbine Crawfish Festival. Every year they have a big festival down here. We used to actually have a big crawfish farm right down the road from here, and we were well known for the crawfish that were produced from here. It's since closed down, but we still carry on the tradition of Woodbine through the Crawfish Festival. I don't remember the dates. I'll find out and I'll put them right here on the bottom. But if you're ever in the area, you got to come down and check out the Woodbine Crawfish Festival. Just a quick story about the Crawfish Festival. When my wife and I used to live down here in Woodbine, we could just walk right down to the festival. And as we were walking down, we kept noticing white rabbits. Not something you see all the time, just white rabbits running around. And we didn't think too much about it. We just noticed that they were out. And when we got to the festival, we found out that one of the carnies was using baby rabbits as a prize for the bottle toss, the ring toss. So people were winning these rabbits, walking around the corner and letting them go, just letting them run around the neighborhood. So I'm not sure, but there's probably a little population of white rabbits running around somewhere here in Woodbine. beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Bicycle one time and took this corner right here too sharp and slid all the way down to the bottom on my back. That wasn't a lot of fun. You can actually see skin marks right here where other people have hit that corner going pretty quick. It didn't feel too good. There's actually a picture of Holly and I from our wedding day right there on that bench that was published in a wedding catalog. I'll see if I can't find that picture and insert that right here. All right, we're down here at the Woodbine boat ramp, and this spot does hold a pretty sincere place in both Holly and I's hearts. This is where we had our wedding reception. Not at the boat dock, not with all the mud, but if we turn around the other direction, back there behind us, you see a pavilion there. Yeah, this is where your mommy and daddy got married. There's a pavilion back there. It was all decked out. I'll try to find some of the pictures and put them in here. Back over here behind us over there, we had a band playing. It was a magical night. It was beautiful. So this is Woodbine. All right, battery's dying. We're gonna have to head back to the truck, Lilah. You okay with that? Is it nap time? Nap time? Okay, let's head back. Now it's stuff like this that makes me sick. This right here, I just saw these people here on the boardwalk, and you know, no respect for anybody, no respect for the boardwalk, no respect for Woodbine. I'm sure no respect for themselves. It's terrible. I'll pick it up. I'm throwing it away. Woodbine. Well, we're almost back to the truck. It was kind of a short hike, kind of a spur of the moment, but a pretty exciting one too. Mainly because if you're watching this right now, that means that I have launched this YouTube channel. I told myself I'd have at least 5 videos before I launched, just to make sure that this wasn't just a little dabble. I wanted to make sure that it was gonna be something that I would enjoy doing and get into doing. And so far, dabble's successful, right? We've been having a good time doing this. I hope to continue to make some videos and put them together. I've enjoyed the editing process. And the main thing, more than anything else, is I enjoy hanging out with Lilah Bell. Even I think she's taking a nap. Is she napping? I think she's asleep. Lilah, future Lilah, you better remember this. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. You've been watching the Dabbler's Den.
Thank you for watching this snapshot of one of my life's many adventures. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, feel free to share it, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. This channel is a work in progress, so I would appreciate constructive feedback and suggestions in the comments below. Once again, I'm Chris Cottrell. You've been watching The Dabbler's Den, and bottom line, YouTubers, just get out there and do something.